What is up, everybody? We are live right now. And guys, every Monday from now on, I'm going to be going live at 12 p.m. EST. This is mainly for my people that are in my mentorship. I'm doing this so you get anyone that's watching the mentorship that hasn't seen the message can see it, but also just so everyone can learn. My goal is to help people do deals, right? And I want people to do deals profitably and ethically and for cheap as possible, like not spending any money. Now I'm kind of, I would say I'm the master of getting deals with little to no marketing spend. I hate spending money on marketing. If there's a return, it's fine to spend on marketing, but I'd rather not. I'd rather work less time, spend more time with family, and not work all the time. So my goal and what I do is I do real estate pretty much part-time, and I get leads for free because I know how to get them. Next lead. Let's call the next lead. Okay. So I got one right here. Oh, I'm not racist, obviously, but this name is hard to say. Iad Mizagit. Yeah, that's a tough one. All right, let's give it a call though. So this one says, this is one of the leads that I have. And again, if you're in my mentorship, hop into this call right now. I don't have anyone on because I just started doing these. Hop in this call. I'll give you any leads that I have that I need help working. Because again, I do this part-time, so I leverage people, and so can you. You should be able to leverage other people as well, and I'll teach you how to do that. Okay, so this is in Miami. Perfect. Owner occupied. Is it listed now? How soon do you want to sell? 1 to 2 months. Relocating. Okay, so what you do is you call the seller. I don't run comps on a deal until I get the seller on the phone. You know why? It's a waste of time. They might never get on the phone. But if they do, then I pull up the address, start talking to them about the property. Let's go for it. Again, 2 calls, text, email. And the reason why I do that is because my phone number is from a different area code. They might think it's spam. Sometimes I even do 3 calls.
Thank you for calling Off-Stop Courier. We're not here to take your call right now. Please leave your name, number, and a brief message.
I don't like the sound of that. Well, I don't know what that number was, but let's give it a shot again. Didn't sound like a person. It sounded like a business.
Thank you for calling Off-Stop Courier. We're not here to take your call right now. Please leave your name, number, and a brief message.
Off-Stop Career? I don't know. I don't know if I like that. But now it's the 3rd call. I'll leave a voicemail and send an email and a text. And if you have canned messages, you can just be super quick with your text. You can just copy and paste something you've already said.
Hello?
Hey, is this Iad?
Yes.
Iad, how you doing? Sorry for calling so much. My name's Nathan. I saw that you filled out a form about wanting to sell your house. Is that right?
Yes. I'm just looking around. Yes, just to see the offer.
Okay, yeah. So you're just checking out your options at the moment. Is that what you said?
Yes.
Do you by chance have like 5-10 minutes to chat right now, or are you busy?
I'm pretty busy, but you want to call me tomorrow?
I can, but I just kind of want to make sure I'm not wasting your time. You said you're checking out your options. Are you like in a need to sell, or is it just like if you get the right offer, you'll think about it? Like what's the goal?
Yeah. If I get the right offer, I'll think about it. Yeah, I'm not like in a meeting to sell, but
okay.
But I mean, I thought your website gives you like an offer out like instantly. It doesn't?
Yeah, no, it should. I don't know if it probably went to your spam or probably went to your email, but what I do is I'm an investor. I look for investment opportunities to purchase people's homes. It's not always cash. Sometimes we buy on terms. Sometimes we partner with sellers and we flip their home with them. But I just didn't want to like waste your time if you are like, I'm only looking for like above retail, and if I can sell it for that, then I'll think about it, you know?
Right, that's what I'm looking for, above retail. So
Okay.
That's why.
Okay.
So I don't think it's gonna. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So do you by chance know anyone that is selling that like needs to sell? Because that's kind of like what we specialize in, is getting things done.
Okay. I didn't know. You know what? Maybe yeah. Yeah, is this your number, the 801 number you just dialed, direct number?
It is. If you could just text or call me, like what we specialize, like I said, is buying homes like really quick, like within 7 to 14 days. And we give a fair offer, but you know, it just really depends on the condition of the home.
Gotcha. Okay, I'll do that. That'll be awesome.
Hey,
I appreciate that.
Hey, wish you the best of luck. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, man. Bye-bye.
All right. So I get down to the nitty gritty. I'm not following up with someone for like, you know, 10. By the way, he answered on the third call. Was he upset? Not at all. So forget that. He's not motivated by in the least bit. So what does that mean? Bump it. That's what it means. You know what I'm saying? Not even worth it. So in my CRM, I would edit this and put it as not interested. Right. Hey, we got Petakin. What's up, dude? My first viewer from what is this? Twitch. I just started my Twitch account. I appreciate it, Petakin. Thanks for supporting. Please watch this. I'm showing you how to do deals part-time. You got another laugh. I don't know if you're laughing with me or at me. I hope you're laughing with me and not at me. I hope you're doing good, Petakin. Thank you for watching, brother.